DADDYGVILLE'S world.
What's up, everyone? Today, this video is for the 2004 to 2009 Dodge Durangos and the 2007 to 2009 Chrysler Aspens. I'm going to show you how to remove your spare tire, show you where a jack is located, even how to remove it if you don't have the jack tools. Now, at first glance, it kind of looks like the old twist-off ones, if you're old enough to remember those ones. But it's actually a cable unit. Let's get into it. First, open your hatch. Your handle here, open it. Now your first instinct will be to pull up the carpet. Don't do that, because once you pull the carpet up, you will see this cutout, and you're going to have to fix the carpet now. Now, if you don't notice it, here's your hitch lock hook. Now, just look slightly to the left of it. Here. Now, once you lift the carpet tab, you will see a rubber plug. Pull it out. This one is gone. But here's the crank arm. To lower your tire, the tools are under the passenger second row seats. Pull the handle up, lay the back down. Then pull the back handle to lean the whole seat forward. There's your jack. And should be 2 rods and a tire iron. Here, they're missing. So, grab your pair of vice grips, lock them on, then turn them counterclockwise. Your tire will start to drop down. Just might take a little longer. Now, say you have everything. What you need is the tire iron and the rod with the open end. Now, the open end rod, put on the pull arm. Take your tire iron and place it on the rod and turn it counterclockwise. Once the tire is on the ground and you have slack in the cable, grab the hook and turn it into a 90-degree angle and pull it through the hub. Now, you have removed your spare tire. Thanks for watching.
DADDYGVILLE'S world.